The ZoomX attendance module lets you check students in or out of after-school programs. Use the web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone to log in at zoomx.us. Then, open the dashboard's filters. Choose Attendance from the Manage Views dropdown, or, on a smartphone, choose Attendance M for a mobile-optimized view. You can filter by student name, group, or program to narrow the list to just the students you want to see. And you can even save a personalized view of your often-used filters. No matter what device you're on, always click Refresh to be sure that you have the latest information. As students arrive, click or tap the Checked In box to mark them present. ZoomX automatically records the name of the staff member who checked them in, along with when they were checked in. Use the same process to check students out. ZoomX will automatically record the details of when they were marked checked out. When parents use the ZoomX mobile app for pickups, students will automatically be marked as picked up when their ride drives away from the school. In Attendance View, the system moves students who've been marked in, out, or picked up to the top of the list. For more information about this module, check the ZoomX guide or email your questions to support@zoomx.us.